In this video, we're going to take a look at how split view works in Intacct. And to get to split view, we need to get into My Preferences. And there's a couple of different ways we can get to My Preferences. We can click on our username up here in the top right-hand corner and click on My Preferences, probably the easiest way to get to it. Within the company module, under the Setup tab, there's a My Preferences button here. Or if you're on the overview for company, there's this little gear icon with the person, which is your preferences. So I can click on that. It brings me into My Preferences, and I'm going to scroll down to the section that contains the split view. And it's right here, Personalized Split View. Nothing is turned on for that right now. And if I go to, let's say, for instance, my AP bills, and I have a bill here that has an attachment. If I click into that bill and I click on the little paperclip, it opens the attachment in a separate tab. So if I enable split view, hit save on My Preferences, and then I'm going to reload this tab so that that change takes effect. Cancel out of this bill, go back into it again. So now that my split view has been turned on, when I press the paperclip, it'll open the attachment within that page. So it doesn't open on a separate tab. It opens within that page. So the other option then with split view is to, once you have split view enabled, you have this other option here to show split view on page load. So let's say I check that off, hit save. And now when I go to AP bills, as soon as I open this bill that has the attachment, it's just going to show it to me. So I open up this bill, because there's an attachment, I see a split view, it's automatically showing it to me. I didn't have to click on the paper link in order to see that attachment. So if there's no split view on at all, you click on the paper clip and it opens in a separate tab. If split view is on, when you click the paper clip, it opens within the page. And if you do the auto load option, the second little box that pops up when you enable split view, it's automatically going to show you that attachment when you click into those bills or whatever else you have attachments for. So that is how to turn on the different options for split view within Intacct.